All right, my friends, let's frame it. So now hopefully you're at a place where you have installed your AI, which was step one in any AI transformation journey. All right, now let's get your AI to behave like a workforce, not just an individual AI or an AI agent. That's where Frame comes in. Frame's starting point is the website frameworks.ai. Go there. You can learn a bit about Frame, the challenges that Frame is helping you overcome. In particular, this productivity paradox, where people tend to be using AI a lot, but it's more speed and not velocity, right? Because you're lacking the structure, the jobs, the checkpoints, the discipline, the rigor that is needed just in any organization to be able to make really smart employees perform at their very best. So you can read through the site, but let's quickly get into how do you set up Frame for the first time. Jump right into the pricing tab where there are three options. The first option is the pure SaaS, software as a service, where you're already a strong AI manager. You are able to manage multiple AI conversations. And in that case, Frame just enables you to become a power AI user. The second option is where you may not be a strong AI manager today. You're leveraging AI purely as a co-pilot to ask it questions, but you want to get to the place where you have an entire team of AI employees that are performing, at your sort of guidance and being coached by you. And the third option is where you don't want anything to do with building stuff with AI yourself, but rather you just want to outsource that to somebody else, and you need a strong AI manager to do the work for you. Frame's pricing is based upon these three outcomes, with a special sort of discount for founders and students, both personas that are very close to my heart, because these are deep, hard journeys with lots of constraints on them. So I wanted to make sure that there is a 90% discount for these personas. Self-served starts with a 14-day trial, but once again, if you're a student or a pre-seed, pre-revenue founder, it's 90% off. So it's basically $20 per user per month, unless there's some other special promotion you're making use of. So let's dive right into it. Let's start a free trial. You enter your information, and what you should get is an email that looks a bit like this, right? Here's your Frame API key. Just to make sure that there are no passwords or anything being traded around, you click on this and you get a page that has your API key, and then this command to be able to set it up either on Windows or on a Mac. Go ahead and finish off once you act upon this command. Frame will be set up for you automatically on your machine. Each of your AIs that you've already enabled and installed on your machine will be powered by Frame as a managerial layer that helps you get huge productivity gains from your AI employees. In one of the future videos, I'll talk about troubleshooting, as well as the nitty-gritty and the sausage making of how Frame sets itself up as a manager for the various AI employees. We won't get into that today, but for now, once you perform this step, you should be set up, or your AI should be set up with Frame, so that you can start running your Frame jobs. And in the next video, I'll talk about how you can run your first Frame job. So hopefully, at this point, you have set up your AI. Your AI has been upgraded to an AI employee and workforce by means of setting up Frame. All right. Hopefully, you've gotten this far. Keep framing it.